Well, it's like, it's just a nice day really for it and all that stuff, isn't it?
What are you doing? Yo, it's Webby. You alright, mate?
Alright, Jeff. Alright, lads. Where's Kingy going?
How'd you get here?
I've walked it and it's took me 4 days.
Bloody hell, your feet not sore?
Yeah, I forgot to put my trainers on though.
It's a really nice day, but when it's gorgeous weather. Weirdo.
Anyway, where's he gone? Oh, what's everybody doing tonight?
Get it pissed back, fire. By the way. Here your Pliers back.
Cheers, mate. Not my Pliers, these. Kingy's. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll pass them to him on the way home. See you later.
Got me Pliers.